How many moles of nitric acid will be produced if 125.6 milliliters of 1.5 molar sulfuric acid is allowed to react with an excess of lead-2 nitrate? All right, so how many moles, so question mark moles, of nitric acid, and this is nitric acid, so HNO3, can be produced if 125.6 milliliters, so 125.6 milliliters of sulfuric acid, and this is sulfuric acid H2SO4. Okay, now they tell me that for every 1 liter of H2SO4 or sulfuric acid, I have 1.5 moles of H2SO4. Okay. So I need to get from milliliters of H2SO4 to moles of HNO3. Okay, I currently have milliliters here and liters here, so I know that 1 liter of H2SO4 is equal to 1,000 milliliters of H2SO4. That's my first conversion factor that I'm going to use. And let's see, because I have milliliters up here, I'm going to put 1,000 milliliters of H2SO4 in the denominator and 1 liter of H2SO4 in the numerator. And that's because I want to cancel milliliters of H2SO4 with milliliters of H2SO4, leaving me in liters. Now I can go here, and for every 1 liter of H2SO4, I have 1.5 moles of H2SO4. And I do that because I want liters of H2SO4 to cancel with liters of H2SO4, leaving me in moles. So I'm pretty close. I'm almost about to make it to Mole Town, but now I need one more field goal. So I'll add a field goal here. I'm in moles of H2SO4. So for every, I can write a conversion factor based on the balance period, chemical reaction. For every 1 mole of H2SO4, I get 2 moles of HNO3. Let's see, I want moles of H2SO4, so 1 mole H2SO4 for every 2 moles HNO3. And I do that so that I can cancel moles of HSO2 with moles of H2SO4. All right, leaving me in moles of HNO3, which is what I want. So when I do my math, I'm going to take the first number, 125.6 times 1 times 1.5 times 2. All that's going to be divided by 1,000 times 1 times 1. So when I simplify the top, I get 376.8. And when I simplify the bottom, I get 1,000. And then when I simplify this, I get 0.3768. Okay, and the units is moles HNO3. All right, so once again, I can go 1, 2, 3. There's 4 sig figs here, but then I was also given this number here, 1.5, which has 2 sig figs. So my answer is going to have 2 sig figs. And if that's the case, the 0 is not significant. The 3 is significant. The 7 is significant. The 6 is not significant, but it's important because it's going to round this up to 0.38 moles HNO3.